Welcome back to Australia Immigration News. Click the link in the description to join our WhatsApp group for exclusive updates and discussions. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Australian Electronic Travel Authority (ETA) Subclass 601 and providing you with a step-by-step guide on how to apply. So let's get started. Understanding the ETA Subclass 601. The ETA Subclass 601 is an electronic travel visa that allows eligible citizens from certain countries to visit Australia for tourism or business purposes. It is a convenient and quick way to obtain permission to travel to Australia without the need for a physical visa label in your passport. Checking eligibility. Before you begin the application process, it's important to check if you are eligible for the ETA Subclass 601. The eligibility criteria include being a citizen of an eligible country, holding a valid passport, and intending to visit Australia for tourism or business purposes. You should also have no criminal convictions and not be suffering from any serious medical conditions. Gathering required documents. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, it's time to gather the necessary documents for your application. You will need your valid passport, personal information, and details about your planned visit to Australia, including your intended travel dates and the address of your accommodation. Applying online. The ETA Subclass 601 application can be submitted online through the official Australian Department of Home Affairs website. Simply navigate to the appropriate section and follow the instructions provided. Remember to have all your documents ready before starting the online application. Filling out the application form. When filling out the application form, ensure that you provide accurate and complete information. Double-check all the details, such as your name, passport number, and travel dates, to avoid any errors that may cause delays or complications in your application process. Paying the application fee. After completing the application form, you will be required to pay the ETA Subclass 601 application fee. The fee can be paid online using a valid credit or debit card. Make sure to keep a copy of the payment receipt for future reference. Waiting for the application outcome. Once you've submitted your application and paid the fee, it's time to wait for the outcome. In most cases, the decision on your ETA Subclass 601 application is made instantly. You will receive a confirmation email with your visa grant number if your application is approved. Visa Grant Notice. Upon receiving the Visa Grant Notice, it is essential to review all the details provided. Ensure that the information matches your intended travel plans and that there are no discrepancies. If you notice any errors, contact the Australian Department of Home Affairs immediately to rectify the situation. Traveling to Australia. Congratulations! If your ETA Subclass 601 application is approved, you are now ready to travel to Australia. Remember to carry your valid passport, as well as a printed copy of your Visa Grant Notice, as evidence of your approved ETA. Upon arrival, present these documents to the immigration officer at the Australian border. That brings us to the end of our video on the Australian Electronic Travel Authority, ETA, Subclass 601. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Australia immigration news.